Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University BCom Semester 2 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject business laws 100% pass important questions for the upcoming examination May-June 2025. So watch the video with full concentration. Syllabus consists of 5 units. First is Indian Contract Act, second Sale of Goods Act and Consumer Protection Act, Intellectual Property Rights, Management of Companies and Meetings, and last unit is Winding Up. So these are the 5 units you are having in this subject. Now unit 1, Indian Contract Act. First short questions. First is voidable contracts, very important. Contingent contract, consideration 100% important. Quantum merit, very important. Coercion, this question is also important. Vindictive damages, 100% important. Quasi contract, 100% important question. First question, sixth question and seventh question are very important. So students, start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are 100% important. Now unit 1, long questions. All contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contract. Discuss the statement. 100% important question. Second, define the contract. Explain the essential features of a valid contract. Also explain different types of contract. Very important. Define consideration. Explain the essential elements of lawful consideration. So students, from these 3 questions, definitely any one question you will get in the examination. And question number 4, what do you mean by breach of contract? State the different types of breach of contract. This is also very important. So in unit 1 you will get 2 questions. So from 1 to 3 questions, any one question definitely you will get. And in the option in unit 2, from question number 4 and question number 5, from these two, any one question you will get in your examination. Fifth, what do you mean by discharge of contract? Explain the modes of discharge of contract. This is also very important. Fourth question, what do you mean by breach of contract? State different types of breach of contract. So total 5 questions I am sharing with you in unit 1 as long questions. Now unit 2, short questions. First is sales versus agreement to sell. Doctrine of caveat emptor, very important. Unfair trade practices, very important. District forum, unpaid seller. Consumer as per Consumer Protection Act. This question is very important. First question, sales versus agreement to sell. This question is important not only for short, this question is important for long also. Now long questions, what is meant by unpaid seller? Explain the rights of an unpaid seller. 100% important question. Explain in detail about Sale of Goods Act 1930. Very important. Explain Consumer Protection Act 1986. Discuss its important provisions. 100% important question. Write a note on consumer redressal machinery under Consumer Protection Act. Very important question. So total 4 questions I am sharing with you in unit 2 as long questions. So students, from these 4 questions, any 2 questions definitely you will get in your upcoming examination. Now unit 3, intellectual property rights. First short questions. Intellectual property, very important. Copyright, 100% important. Trademarks, very important. Patents, very important. Fifth, geographical indicator, 100% important question. First question, second question and fifth question are 100% important. Now unit 3, long questions. Define intellectual property right. What are the rights of intellectual property owner? 100% important question. What is copyright? Explain the essential conditions for copyright to be protected. Explain the rights of copyright owner also. So first question is also important. Second is very important. Third, what is trademark? Explain the process of obtaining a trademark. Very important. What do you mean by geographical indicator? GI. Explain geographical indication of Goods Act 1999. State its benefit. benefits, very important. So these four questions are very important for unit 3. So students, start your preparation from these questions and share this video in your with your friends also. Now unit 4, management of companies and meeting. First short questions, quorum 100% important, proxy very important, annual general meeting, statutory meeting, what is corporate governance, agenda. So these 6 questions are very important. From these 6 questions, first question, second question and sixth question are very important. Now unit 4, long questions, define directors. What are the qualification and disqualification of directors? 100% important question. Explain the various ways the directors may be appointed. Also explain the rights, duties and powers of directors. Very important, 100% important. Explain the statutory provisions with respect to corporate social responsibility, CSR, under the Companies Act. Very important. What do you mean by the term meeting? Explain various types of meeting conducted by company. So these 4 questions are very important. So from these 4 questions, any 2 questions definitely you will get in your upcoming examination. So students, share this video with all your friends and like the video and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel also. Now unit 5, winding up, short questions. Winding up of company, very important. State the modes of winding up of a company, very important. Who is company liquidator? Write about his appointment. This question is important not only for short, this is also important for long. And fourth question is also very important. Insolvency and bankruptcy code. Now unit 5, long questions, define winding up. What are the various modes of winding up? 100% important question. What are the circumstances under which a company can be wind up on compulsory ground? Very important. Who is company liquidator? Explain its duties and functions. Very important. Explain in detail insolvency and bankruptcy code. What is voluntary winding up of a company? Under what circumstances the company can wind up as voluntary wind up? So students, these are the 5 important questions. From these, first question, second question and fourth question is very important, and fifth is also very important. So start your preparation from these questions. Like and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching the video.